Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. In this video, I will be unboxing this parcel, which is a damaged HP Envy 13 2018 that I got for £100 for a VTubing. On the left, there is a power port, expanding USB port, and a fingerprint scanner. On the right, there is a micro SD, USB-C, another expanding USB, and a headphone jack. I've never really seen a finish like this on a laptop before. Opening the screen, we can see the cracks, the NVIDIA GTX logo, and the keyboard. Here is a close-up of the cracked screen. It looks pretty nasty and will certainly need some tape to make it safe. Going through my power adapters, I found one that works. Now to test it, we can see its power draw on the screen right here. The laptop seems to be working, but it can't find the SSD. I think I'll give it a clean. It looks so good now that it's all clean. The seller forgot to send the SSD in the laptop, so I have to wait for it to arrive. In the meantime, I'll remove the screws and use a pick to get into the case. Inside the laptop, we can see a massive 53 watt-hour battery, the fan, the CPU and GPU, as well as the M.2 slot and Wi-Fi card. I'm going to use a soft brush to give this laptop an internal clean. I just got this package and it has the SSD, so I can finally set up the Envy 13. They sent me a Samsung PM991 NVMe SSD, which is really nice. I'll install it like this. Finally, it is time to put the back cover on and replace the screws. I'm going to leave out the 2 star screws because they are inconvenient and they don't seem to be important. Now, to play with this laptop, I installed Windows 10, went through the setup and did all the updates after logging in to my accounts. Interestingly, I've noticed when using the power adapter, I can't use the laptop and charge at the same time, but when I use USB-C, this is not a problem. I'll first run a 3D mark and see what it scores. As always, here is the live power draw. Nothing special at 957 for a 3D mark, but for £100, that's pretty good. Next, to try Persona 5 Strikers. This is in 1080p, medium graphic settings. It seems to run quite well. Power usage is around 30 to 40 watts on the load, which is very good for a laptop with this performance. Using the laptop for a while, I've noticed some issues. Firstly, the touchpad is easier to press and loudly rattles in the bottom left corner, and accidental right-clicking is way too easy. Secondly, the keyboard is a weird off-center design that feels like someone slid the bottom row away from the rest of the keyboard. And lastly, OBS recordings seem to have audio capture bugs, so I have to record audio for my videos on my ThinkPad and then combine the footage together. Overall, despite its flaws, I'm quite happy with this laptop, and I'm really happy I managed to get something that can run VTuber Studio and Persona 5 Strikers so cheaply. Hopefully you managed to enjoy this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!